how are you? I am back again, and today I thought I'd do a little unboxing of my latest Citizens of Soil delivery. Now, back when I started YouTube in like, I don't know, my 20s, I used to get loads of subscription boxes of beauty products, and now I get subscription boxes of olive oil. It's just that time of life I'm in. But yeah, I'm absolutely loving it. And you know what? Olive oil is like inner beauty, you know? So I feel like I'm still doing beauty when I come to olive oil. I'm just doing it from the inside out. And I have to say, since I've been having much better quality olive oil, I feel like my skin looks better. Maybe I'm deluded, but I definitely feel it. And it is meant to help your skin health too. Anyway, let's unbox. So if you don't know these guys, they are Citizens of Soil. They are an olive oil subscription box. Every month you get an extra virgin olive oil from a different grower, and they all have like different tastes and notes, and they're all really great quality, and they just make every meal like taste and smell better. And it's also really good for your health too. So yeah, I'm a subscriber. I pay myself. I'm a big fan. And yeah, I've been subscribing for maybe like 6 months now. My mum is also a subscriber, and I have also made many of my friends subscribers too. Also, if you want to try it out, you can get £5 off your first order by yeah, using my link, which I'll put in the description box. So enjoy. Basically means this will be £10 rather than 15. Okay, let's open her up. So this is how the olive oil comes boxed. It just slips through your letterbox, and they are also a B Corp brand, which is really important to me. And everything they do, the environment really is at the heart of it. And it is like such a lovely brand where everything is like great quality. So this is how the olive oil comes packaged. I personally decant mine into a nice bottle. And then every month the olive oil comes from one grower in one place. There's no blending of oils, and it also gives you some really nice information about the family who grow it, as well as some kind of like interesting ways to use the olive oil. So that's really nice. And this month's olive oil obviously comes from Sicily. So this month the olive oil is Vibrant. It's from Italy. And it is an extra virgin oil extracted without heat or chemicals. And what does it taste like? Freshly cut grass, tomato vine, and chili pepper. Ooh, that sounds perfect. And you compare it with barbecue, vegetables, and meat, ice cream. I'm not that cultured, guys. Or pasta. And of course, you can do things like make salad dressings with it too. So yeah, I have brought up to my bedroom a bowl with some bread, and I thought we'd do a little bit of dipping. It's not normally that I have a little bowl with bread on my windowsill, but here we go. All in the name of content, hey? Oh, and I just have to shout out this little bowl. I bought it from a charity shop for like £1, and I just think it's so cute. Ooh. So let's dunk the bread in. By the way, this olive oil is so good that you can like not bother making a dressing and just literally use olive oil, or maybe olive oil and a little bit of balsamic. That's all you need for a great dressing. And it's so good that you can just mop it up with bread and enjoy it as it is. It's honestly so tasty, and it smells so good. Like, you know, when you go to a fancy restaurant and you're like, wow, even my food smells fancy. Like, that's what it makes your food smell like, only it's home cooking and it's like luxurious. It's so good. It's such a game changer, and it's such an affordable way to kind of like make everything elevated in the kitchen. Anyway, let's give a dunk and give it a go. So here is my bread. Oh my god, yes, you do get the grassy notes. I actually think this might be my favorite one yet, you know. This is so good. It's really green, it's really grassy. I think it's quite delicate. God, that's so nice. I might actually order myself a second one of these because it's so good. Okay, I am done chewing, so you don't have to like watch or listen to me chew, but that is incredible. So this is from Sicily. Incredible. Absolutely love this one. This is by far my favorite I think I've ever had, and they've all been good, but this one is phenomenal. I'm literally going to order myself another one of these because it's so good. We're at the tail end of the month, so I think if I order it today, I might get another one from this region, and I want this, I need this, it's incredible. Anyway, that is my video. It's Citizens of Soil. It is an olive oil subscription box, which shows my age, but whatever, I love it. It's how I want to spend my money, and I have to say for £10, absolutely incredible. So yeah, if you do want to try it out for the special price, use my link. If not, just, I don't know, go onto their website and pay 15. But anyway, that is my video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.